What's good, wealth builders? It's the man, it's the myth, the wealth builder himself, Devon Pudding Work Burke. And today we are talking about how to use a planner for financial freedom. Let's go. Okay, real quick, make sure you subscribe to the channel because we talk about making more money, saving more money, and building a better you and business. So without further ado, let's get to the topic on hand. How to use a planner for financial freedom. All right, so it's almost like a little planner unboxing video that we're going to get into. We're going to break how to use a planner down. I'm going to show you this planner that my wife purchased for me. Okay, my wife is actually a YouTuber herself. She actually has a nail YouTube. She goes under the term Miss Nailology. I'll put a link in the description for that. Also, as always, all links are always in the description, okay? So with that being said, let's talk about this planner that she purchased for me. I love it, absolutely love it. So I decided to make a video about it and show you guys what it has in it. And maybe you would feel some type of way to purchase it. If you want to purchase it, there is a affiliate link in the description, all right? So it's through Amazon. Came very fast because I'm a Prime member, you know, Prime. So I figured, hey, I want to talk to my wealth builders about it, you know? So with that being said, let's get into what this planner has inside and how you can use it for financial freedom. All right, so now this is what the planner looks like, okay? It's by Hot Sinfin. I don't even know how to say the name, but that's the name right there. Okay, like I said, the link will be in the description. So when you open it, this is what it looks like. Okay, got a snazzy little placement holder. Okay, before we even open the actual planner itself, let me show you what it comes with. These stickers, okay, so this can help you label things. Like, mind you, I just recently got this planner. I haven't put too much into it, but I'm definitely going to be using it. This is, okay, so, because this is the key to financial freedom, I'm telling you. So, this is the stickers. These are the stickers that come in there, okay, so you can use it for. And what else comes in there? Directions. They give you a pamphlet of directions on how to actually use your planner and how it can help you, okay? And after reading that, I realized, like, yo, I've never used a planner before, and I realized that a planner can actually set you apart from the pack and put you on the road to financial freedom. Okay, so let's get into what the planner has first. Okay, so rubber band to keep it closed. Okay, so now the dope thing about this planner, right, has my gratitude and self-awareness, my daily rituals, what you're passionate about, your affirmations. Okay, I put a couple affirmations in there already. As you can see some writing, right? You got my vision board, so you can write down, you know, the things that you want out of life, the things that you really are aspiring for, you know. Then we have, you can write your goals for the year here, which is awesome. Okay, in different topics, got health, business, career, family and friends, significant other and romance, finance, personal development, fun and recreational, spiritual, whatever your goals are. Those topics, okay? Then you have your focus goals, so goal 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different goals. They have a mind map. I gotta actually Google on how to use the mind map, to be honest with you. All right, so boom. So then you can do your month and year right here. As you can see, I started this in April 2021. All right, so I put every day. So I put my goal for every day. And I'm gonna write down each goal, and then you got this month's goal. So you put you put your goals here, right, for the month, and then you have your daily activities, the things you want to accomplish every day. Okay, the main focus for the day. Okay, Okay, then how you approve next month, this month's wins. So you write down the things that you've accomplished that you really wanted to accomplish in this month. Okay, so which is awesome, right? So then you have even more stuff right here where you can break it down by day: Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. You can plan every day out clearly. Okay, clearly plan every day out. And then in the back, okay, you have even more mind maps. You can write down more notes. I would use this for notes. So how does having a planner, right? This planner, like I said, this planner is beautiful. I love it. It's smooth. It's like a nice little sturdy book. Okay, the link is in the description. Okay, if you want to check out that planner or anything like it. Now, how to use a planner for financial freedom, right? How does that even make sense? Well, just because you want to say financial freedom, right? Financial freedom is basically being able to design your whole day. You don't really have to work for anyone, even if you are working for someone. Okay, your income is either 2 to 3 times more than what your expenses are. Okay, you choose your day, you choose your activity, you choose your life based off of the income that you have, most likely passive or semi-passive income. And you're able to achieve financial freedom by using a planner. Okay? A planner. Because you get to plan your day. And you should plan your day and weeks and months in a term of financial goals. Okay, yes, you want to include personal goals and to-do lists and things like that in your planner, but they should be predominantly for your financial goals, your business goals, and creating a lifestyle you don't have to take a vacation from. You decide what your day is. So you wake up in the morning and before you even get to financial freedom, you need a plan of action. You need to be decisive in what your day looks like, how you're going to achieve the financial freedom, how you're going to achieve your financial goals, how you're going to be successful, how you're going to take your business to the next level, how you're going to take your career to the next level, whatever it is, right? This will help you get there, okay? Because you've created a map for yourself, okay? You've created a routine for yourself. You created something for you to follow, okay? Because if you don't have something to follow, then you have no direction. If you have no direction, you never reach your goals. So if your goal is to have financial freedom, and most likely it is if you're watching this video, then you know that you're gonna need to have a map. You're gonna need a roadmap to financial freedom, and that's what a planner can help you with, okay? I'm not saying this is the end all be all planner, but like I said, man, this is a great planner. Has some great qualities and options in there that you can use. So it's a quality planner in my eyes. Okay, I've never used a planner before. Like I said, my wife uses them all the time, and she's successful on her YouTube channel. She's starting a nail, I think a polygel line soon. So she's moving along very well. And I was like, you know what? I think I need to jump on board. Okay, I think I need to jump on board, and I really feel like me using a planner will get me to the next level. And I think you guys can definitely use it if you haven't been starting to use the planner already. So with that being said, I hope you enjoyed the video. Hope you got some great insight. I hope you enjoy my channel. And if you haven't subscribed already, go ahead and subscribe to the channel, because we talk about making more money, saving more money, building a better you and business. So with all that being said, again, thanks for watching. Check out the links in the description. I'm gonna pin actually I'm gonna pin comment for the Wealth Builder System, the free guide to passive income. So go check that out. Also, if you want to learn crypto trading, which has definitely been helping me out financially, so go ahead and check that out. There's a free guide to crypto trading in the pinned comment also. So with that being said, thanks for watching. It's the man, it's the myth, the wealth builder himself, signing off for how to use a planner to get the financial freedom. Freedom! Do remember, wealth builders? Make more, save more, build more. Peace.
It's the Wealth Builders, baby.